One-on-one session, it was very beneficial for me because it helped me a lot to connecting with the approach. It made my code very efficient and clean. Hi, my name is Ruchi Choudhary. I am from Lucknow. I have done my graduation in BCom in the year 2020, and then later on I have worked for 1 year with sales and marketing, and then I decided to switch my career in IT. I joined the bootcamp in June batch in 2022, and it's been 2 weeks that I'm in the bootcamp. Since then, I have learned about DSA. So in DSA, we learn about many topics such as data types. In data types, I learned about strings, integers, float, booleans, etc. And then I learned about the control flow. In control flow, I learned about if, else, nested if else, and then about arithmetic operations. Then loops. Yeah, in loops, I learned about while loops, for loops, do while loops, etc. And like many other DSA concepts, I have learned in the 2 weeks. About the instructors, they are very helpful and they have taught each and every topics in very easy terms, and like they are very experienced also. So being from a non-coding background, to learn all the topics and to understand all the topics, it was very difficult for me. But yeah, the instructors are very good, and they are teaching us in a very easy manner so that I can understand. So practice sessions, after the lectures, we are getting practice problems to solve. So in the practice problem, I have solved many DSA questions. In one-on-one session, it was very beneficial for me because it helped me a lot to connecting with the approach, and then it made my code very efficient and clean. So yeah, one-on-one session was also the thing that I liked most was a group mentoring session. So other than the practice problems, other than the practice sessions and the lecture sessions, so if you're getting stuck somewhere to solving the questions, so in the group mentoring session on a daily basis, we are getting the sessions to discuss our problems with the mentors and with the students. So yeah, it was quite interesting.